So this is what we have from the box. There's nothing else inside. A big one. Looks like pretty huge. And let's take away the plastic wrappers.
Nice.
Wow. I don't know if you guys can see, but from the impressions, first look, it looks pretty nice. Looks like the housing is like glass. It's a Bioled LED. This is a 200 watts, and it's IP65. Okay, so looking on the side, we can see the brackets. The bracket here. Wow, this is pretty strong. Like the back housing, the heat sink, looks like it's, I'm not sure if it's metal or plastic, but it looks not bad at all. And we can turn around to the back so you can see it. Okay, so it doesn't come with the instructions, no manual, but I've installed this before, so I know what to do with it. So just from the glance, this looks like it's glass. Okay, so that's what it looks like, guys. So it looks like maybe what, like 14 by 13. To me, I think it's kind of short, because usually all the one that I've installed are at least like 36 or 48 inches long. This is quite short. Okay, but that is it for the unbox, guys. So I just got another wire like this, 3-prong. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys how to connect the wires together. This is just like if you want to use this, like, you know, maybe like where there's an outlet, like a temporary. But if you're going to install this into like a permanent fixture, then you would have to hang it. And probably in my next video, that's where I'm going to do that part where I'm going to install it to kind of like a permanent fixture. Okay, but for now, we're just gonna do this. So here, what you do, if you can see it clearly, the brown wire, you're gonna connect it to the black. Okay, so you're just gonna kind of like twist it, and then you're gonna use one of the wire nut, and then you just squeeze it. Squeeze it all the way. It's kind of short, but and then for the blue ones, you're gonna connect it with the white. So the white is the neutral. So the black is hot, and it goes with the brown. So this one, that's how we're gonna do it. We're gonna twist it, and we're gonna use a wire nut here. It doesn't matter what color you use, just make sure you connect the color of the wire accordingly. And then you're gonna connect the yellow green from the light along with the green from this wire here. For the one, if you are gonna install it to the permanent fixture, like the wire from the permanent fixture, the coloring might be black, which is hot, white is neutral, and then you got the copper, which is ground. Okay, so that's the only difference. Okay, so it's pretty tight. So now if I plug into one of the outlet, this thing should, the light, oh my god, it's really bright. You know what, I'm gonna test this out on the outside of my house so that way you can see it. Okay, so I'm gonna take you guys to my front yard, and I'm gonna plug it in to one of the outlet outside, and we're gonna see how bright it is. So as you can see, I just plug into one of the outlets outside of my front door, and I have to say I'm really impressed by the light output. You know, it's very bright, and this the color, it's kind of like a whitish color. The one that I have that I currently installed from the Statson, I think that one's like a 3000K, and I believe this one is a 5000K. So it's not yellowish. As you can see, that is my front yard, and because right now because the cord, the wire, it's kind of short, so I can't really pull it. But as you can see, there you go, it's blocked by this my lemongrass, but the output is really far, and I'm pretty sure, you know what, let me see if I can find an extension so I can extend it a little bit out so you can see better. I'll be right back. All right guys, so here is my Statson's light. This one, as previously revealed, it's 150 watts, and this is a 3000K. So I'm gonna swing over to the Bioled LED Plus. Okay, this is a 5000K, and I don't know if you can see from the reflection of the light, but they're pretty bright. Okay, I can see over here, that's the color of the Statson, and this is the Bioled LED. Okay, so I'm gonna go back here, so see, you can see, there you go. I don't know if you can notice, but on the right hand side it's kind of like a whitish color, and on the left hand side you can see that it's kind of like golden. Okay, so yeah, from here you can see right there, the light's right there. I just put it on one of my benches right now. Okay, so they're both bright, but this one, it's really bright, and the color is super white. Okay, there we go. This angle, I'm gonna try to move it to the right hand side a little bit, and that way we get away from the other color, other light, and so you can see. How's that? This is a 200 watts right there. You see how I just aim it a little bit up on the tree? You can see everything from there. Oh my God. Now I'm about maybe 30, I would say about 30 feet away from the light. Okay, pretty from here you can pretty see the different colors already, golden and then crystal white. Overall impressions of the light output, I'm pretty happy with it. Turnout, it's a aluminum die cast, so again the quality is much better. There we go, beautiful, nice. I'm gonna try to angle down a little bit and we'll see. I'm gonna move it around there. Wow, what do you guys think? Is it bright or what? Face it this way, facing down a little bit, because this is super white. Alrighty, hello everyone. So in this video, I'm gonna do the installation for the Bioled LED. It's right there. However, I'm just gonna remove the Statsons, and I'm gonna install the Bioled LED in its place. Okay, and as you can see right here, the wire, it's kind of short, so I extended it. Okay, and to make it longer, so we're gonna remove the Statsons and just put the Bioled LED in its place. Let's get started. Let me explain. So let me explain again. The wire that comes with this, the light is a little bit short, so I did an extension and I trimmed it. I water sealed it. Everything's good, and I put into this conjunction box. And inside here, like I was stating the wiring earlier, it's brown is hot, blue is neutral, and yellow green is ground. That's all you gotta do. Okay, and we're gonna take a little step back and take a look how bright this light is. I know it's bright because I tested before in my previous one where I did the power cord one. All right, so now it's really dark, so now we can test the light and see how bright it is. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it on.
My dad and me.
Voila! All right, so the light is on. As you can see, that's my carport on the other side. And this is the light here. And as you can see from the reaction from my wife, she likes it.
We have
So,
parties.
on the weekends, we usually like to have parties a lot. So I'm afraid that the light is so bright that it might shine over our neighbors, but thank God with all these high trees, it's probably gonna block some of the lights over there. Yeah, but you know what? As far as the light wise, I'm really happy with it. But again, this is just we just installed it. We don't know how long it will last, but it has a 5 years warranty to it. So I mean, for someone or for a company to stand behind their products and promise you that if there's anything wrong with the product itself, within 5 years they're gonna take care of you. So that means something in the quality wise. Okay, so like I said, it looks really nice. I couldn't be happier, and Do you, Athena? Do you like the lights? It's nice, huh?
So big.
It's so big too. It's huge. So I don't know if you can zoom in all the way that you see, but it's
Sáng cả bầu trời luôn ha.
there we go. So it's really bright.
It's like
You can't deny it. It's really bright and really nice. Okay, it's just like daylight. I think this is 5,000K. So very bright. Couldn't be happier.